Hey guys, Spartan here for the daily recap, April 13th, 2022. Let's talk about what happened today. So good day, came into the day looking for a bounce into the 50 MA. I thought it would happen a lot quicker than it did. It literally took the entire day, which is kind of shocking. But anyways, we opened up, extended on the SPY, was looking for a bounce into the 50 MA, tweeted that out, talked about it in chat all day, and we slowly grinded up towards that area. Gap fill would have been around 44.80 today, but didn't quite get there. Traded inside from last day. This led us to grab a ton of tech names out the gate. As you can probably guess, yes, we were long Tesla today, as always in the morning. So we traded Tesla long right out the gate, grabbed it at the 979 level, traded to the upside for about 20 points on the equity. Then we rolled into 1030 calls. Those ended up going almost 200% on the upside, and yeah, we'll see what happens there in terms of continuation. We are swinging those calls overnight. Some other things that we did on the equity side, we were in shop long at the 590, I think it was 596 or 594 level. I gotta scroll up and look. Yeah, 594. Obviously traded that nicely to the upside. Then we rolled in some calls on that as well. NRG, we traded this long, small one. What's wrong with mine? There we go. Sorry, I couldn't type there. HNRG 462 took it long. Traded this morning for like 30 cents to the upside, then grabbed it again around the 508. Traded it to 530s. Ended up exiting the rest of that. We took PayPal long this morning at 103.50. Traded that to the upside into the 106s. Nice trade there. UPST long 83.28. Traded that all day long into the 88s. That was a good one there. We traded a turn on the long side from 515. Got about a point change on that. SGLY, we tried this one long this morning, ended up just exiting at around $9 area, tried it at 946, so about a 46-cent loss there. mRNA, we were long early on at 161, traded that all day to the upside. We ended up exiting most of it at 169, or all of it, I should say. Rolled into the 180 calls, which we ended up making about 80% on those, which was great. We tried some LIXT long today, that didn't work. We talked about the shop long, that was good. What else did we do? Oh, Zoom long. We traded this one from the, I think it was like 108.97. Yeah, 108.97. Got about 5.5 points to the upside. Then we also had a roll into the 118 calls, which went up over 300%. So that was a nice trade there. We did some NVAX long at 60.93 for about a point to the upside. GME long, we took this one for about 50 cents to the upside. Ended up getting stopped though. We grabbed it here, popped to the upside. We have moved our stops up after our sale, and it pulled back to these stops. Ended up getting out of it, not getting back into it. We just had too much stuff on there. But again, it was a nice trade. A couple other trades that we did on the long side. W, the 111s. Took those long at 111. Ended up exiting that around the 115 area. All of it, 115 like 25. And we also had W 117 calls on, which currently are up 450%, so that was a nice trade there. ARQQ, we scalped that to the upside long from 14.88. We got about 40 cents on the upside on that. Took some DDOG. First trade didn't work, second trade did. And that was pretty much it on the equity side. Talking about the highlights on the option side. Option side was good today. A couple trades didn't work. We tried some BABA high conviction trade. That one didn't work. Unfortunately, we had some cost 600, which worked pretty well for about 30 cents, or sorry, 30% on those. I talked about the W. We got 450% on these. We also had Zoom 118 longs, which we got 300%. We had the Tesla, which we got about 200% at the end of the day there. We had the Lulu on overnight from Kate. She got 1,000% on those. I grabbed them a little bit late at 35 cents. Ended up getting 700% on those, holding the rest overnight as well for continuation. Dash, we took the 110 longs, ended up getting around 180% on those. That was a nice little trade as well. And then the last big trade that we really did was Veru. We took the 12.5s and 15 calls, and we're still holding them. And 12.5s ended up going above 600% at the end of the day there. And then the 15 calls above 300%. So some really nice trades today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Looking forward to it. It is Lotto Friday, or actually Lotto Friday day, expiration day, even though it's Thursday. So it should be a pretty interesting day. If you guys want to join us in chat, you can go to the link in the bio. There's a Discord link posted. You can click on that. You can pop into chat and trade into the free room. I do guide the SPY all day there, so you get some great free information. I do give a decent amount away. You don't have access to all the alerts, of course. They're not the options or the equity side, but still some quality stuff in there as well. If you want to join the live stream, guys, go to SpartanTrading.com. You'll also be given access to all the alert sections, etc., and all the resources. So plenty of good stuff there. Anyways, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, SpartanTrading.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Oh, and stay tuned, guys. We're going to have some promos for Easter that should be posted on the website today or tomorrow. Alrighty? Have a good one. Enjoy.